Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Sorry it's been a little bit since I've made a video. I've been pretty busy with life and everything. So for the last couple of weeks I've been getting some tool hauls. So kind of collected up. So I figured I'd share them with you today. So sit back, relax, and prepare yourself to see the wonderful finds that I have found. Well, bear with me. I lost the original footage to the opening of this video, so I'm kind of having to redo some of it. So this is tool hauls, and I'm gonna try to hopefully not double up on some of the tools that I've got. I started putting away, and then I went to do this video, and lo and behold, I think I forgot to hit record. So, be patient, and if I show you something twice in this video, sorry. So, right here, we got this fine Velcheck USA 5/16 or 15/16 and 7/8 double box. Here's a Craftsman 11/16 and 13/16. Those are nice and crusty rusty and be good to clean up. We got this Epson 5/32 clutch drive. Got this Apex 1/4 inch drive, wood handle. It says it right here on the Apex Dayton. Little made in Taiwan spinner. These are just cool and clean up and good things to give away to people, and you know, they're good quality tools. I mean, got one of these twisty screwdrivers. You've seen a lot of people with them. I think I've got a little collection going right now with these. We've got a pair of True Fit slip joint pliers. We'll have to clean these up and some Vaporust. Here we got a pair of these are Challenger pliers, Proto Challenger slip joint pliers. Here is a Peen's core 5/8. Another 5/8 and 9/16 Peen's core. Electrolyte, made in USA. I want to say maybe can't really tell. It says True Fit, so we'll have to clean these up and figure out. We'll clean these up, figure out what they are, what size it is. This little spinner, quarter-inch drive for this multi-bit unit. Liftmaster Here we've got this Fuller 1/4 inch drive, 1/4 inch nut driver, a wee tiny pair of pliers, so for the sockets we've got this SK 11/16, a Fleet 9/16, Fairmont 1 1/8. This is a Thorson 13/16. Spark plug. A Kreuter 7/8. SK 6.3 millimeter. Armstrong. Armstrong 1/2 inch. SK 7/16. SK 9/16. SK 3/8. Powercraft 7/16. SK Tools 7 millimeter. A Fleet, I'm not sure what size it is. It'll have to be cleaned up. Kreuter 9/16. A Fleet 9/16. Isco. I'm not 100% sure what it is. Isco 9/16. SK 11/32. SK 7/16. SK 1/2 inch. Williams 1/2 inch. SK Wayne 10 millimeter. SK Wayne 10 millimeter. SK 1/4 inch. SK 9/32. SK, not 100% sure what that is. 11 30 seconds maybe. We'll have to clean that one up. Mac, 11 30 seconds. Kreuter, 9/16. SK, 3/8. So here is quarter-inch Melco. Got a little tiny precision screwdriver. And then let's move on to the next load of stuff. Okay, this is going a little long, so we will do this in a second part. So look for part 2.